Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to use palm timer feature on Google Pixel. Let's have a look. For this video I am using Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. To enable palm timer on Google Pixel, first you need to unlock your phone, then open camera app, make sure you are in photo mode, then tap photo settings button on bottom left and tap three dots on top right. This will open up camera settings. In camera settings, scroll down and find out palm timer. Make sure palm timer turned on. Start a photo timer by showing your palm to the front or rear cameras. That's it. These are the steps to enable palm timer on Google Pixel. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.